Hey everybody!
Hey guys!
So you love homemade ice cream, right?
I do, and I always want some more.
Did you say s'more?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Let's make
Homemade s'mores ice cream! Yay!
Well, if we're gonna do s'mores ice cream, then we gotta have toasty marshmallows.
Oh, pureed right into the most amazing ice cream custard.
Oh, yeah, and then of course you gotta bring on the graham crackers.
Oh, it is the most amazing ice cream ever.
But we're not done, folks.
No, bring on the chocolate.
Oh, baby!
Oh, the s'mores ice cream is one for the record books.
So welcome back to How to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
Give me some more Loon.
I'll give you some more. I'll always give some more.
Always give some more, especially when we're talking about s'mores.
That's right.
Boy, we have really worked that
Yes,
joke, haven't
milk
we?
to dry, milk to dry.
Speaking of milk, let's make ice cream.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, is there anything better than homemade ice cream?
No.
Maybe s'mores.
Yeah, exactly.
My memories of when I was a child and my mom and dad would get the old crank, you know, with the rock salt and the ice.
So
and
good.
That was the most amazing sound because I knew we were about to have homemade ice cream. Nothing better.
And s'mores, camping, and all the just so sticky. All this, just like everything, and then just like a face full of s'mores.
This should be the name of your memoir. Anyway, let's get started. So it all starts with an amazing custard sauce.
Custard sauce.
Making it is really simple.
We're gonna start by adding a half a cup of sugar to 5 egg yolks in a medium bowl.
Right, and then we're gonna use a hand mixer to beat until pale and kind of thick.
Now over at the stove, in a pan over medium heat,
We're gonna add 2 cups of whole milk, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, a half a cup of sugar, and a healthy pinch of salt.
now you're gonna stir all that until fully combined and the sugar has dissolved.
Yes, and we're gonna keep on stirring until it comes to a simmer.
Simmer down now.
Now we're gonna add the warm cream to the egg mixture.
And we're gonna add 1 cup, whisk, and then add another cup.
This is called tempering the eggs.
That's right, you do not want to scramble those eggs.
No, we don't. Then those eggs would really lose their temper.
Or you would.
True. Anyway, okay, so now we're gonna add it back to the pan with the remaining cream, and we're gonna bring that to a simmer.
And stir constantly until thickened.
Ah, yum. Now we're gonna strain the mixture into a large bowl.
Cool that gorgeous custard in an ice bath for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, yay! Oh, this is such good custard.
I love custard-based ice cream. I love it.
I know, I do too.
Love it.
Okay, so while this is cooling, we are going to prep one of the most important components of a s'mores, and that is
Marshmallows!
marshmallows!
Yay! I love the taste of these roasted marshmallows in that ice cream.
I know.
It really is amazing. It's like you're by the campfire making some s'mores, but without the smoke in your face, because smoke follows beauty, of course.
Oh, well, of course, that's you're smoking hot, I guess. Okay, so this technique is so awesome, and it really packs that toasted marshmallow flavor into the ice cream.
So good.
So we got a 10-ounce bag. That's 10 or 12 ounces.
Yeah, the big ones.
The big old mushroom. I always say mushrooms. Don't put mushrooms in this ice cream. It'll not be good. Marshmallows are great.
Disclaimer, do not put mushrooms.
If I say mushroom, I always say mushrooms instead
When
of
he says
marshmallows.
mushrooms, he means marshmallows.
Right, just remember that. Okay, so we've got these on parchment paper, on a baking sheet, and we're going to put it on the middle rack, and I've got my broiler on high. Once they go in, you'll want to keep a close eye on them as they brown quickly.
Oh, it already smells like we're making s'mores.
It does. Okay, now take them out of the oven.
And then you're going to carefully flip each marshmallow over.
Put them back in the oven for just a short time.
This time they brown even faster.
They do. Okay, now take them out of the oven.
And when they're cool enough to handle, transfer them to your blender.
You may need a couple of spatulas to help you out.
Because you could get into a sticky situation.
Oh my gosh.
I just want to get a spoon and start eating it.
And this custard is, it's so beautiful.
That looks great. It's nice and cool.
It's cooled off. So now,
yay, we got this big old, let's do it.
let's do it. Okay, we'll transfer this custard directly into
Yes.
Look at that. Give me a little spatula there, would you?
Yeah, okay. Oh, Lord.
Okay,
that's good.
Okay.
Hold on, a little more.
Okay.
There we go.
Now,
Yes.
let's keep building the flavor.
Let's do it. So we are going to add a half a cup of heavy cream.
A little more cream.
A little more cream never hurt anyone. And then we have a tablespoon.
2 teaspoons.
I'm sorry, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I even measured it out.
Vanilla extract. I know. Well, we would expect nothing less. Okay. Boy, you're really exact.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
All right, let's get this party started. Ready?
We're going to blend this baby
Let's start slow and then kind of get fast.
There you go.
Yes, let's go a little faster. Ooh, look at that.
Beautiful.
Oh, a little faster. You know what I'm going to do, though? I'm going to stop it. I'm going to give it a little zhuzhing, I think.
Yeah. Sometimes those marshmallows, they're sticky and they need a little help.
clumpy. Oh, there we go.
You
wow.
go. I love how the toastiness stays in there, and it just really makes it super flavorful.
I am dying. You guys, I could eat this right now
Well,
because those eggs are cooked.
We got to make ice cream.
All right, let's do some more. There we go.
Beautiful.
Yay! There we go.
Okay.
Oops, I stopped. There we go. Just do it a little more. I think we're good.
We're good. Turn that off. We don't want to keep that going. Okay.
Yay!
Now we are going to transfer this.
Yes,
Be careful. Make sure it's off.
I got it. Yep, it's
Okay.
off.
We don't want custard all over the ceiling. Okay. Now we're going to transfer that in there.
Y'all, look at that.
That is beautiful. That is going to make the most amazing ice cream.
Little streams of marshmallow. Oh,
I know, that's incredible. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to cover this with plastic wrap, and now here's the brutal part. We got to let this chill, and it's got to chill for. You could do this in a couple of days, but anyway, you need to let this chill for at least
4 hours
or overnight.
I'm dying.
Open the fridge,
All right.
and just like that.
No. It's been 4 hours.
I know, it's been 4 hours. Well, it's still a ways away before we get to eat this amazing stuff. So,
It
okay,
is.
so this was the great custard that, and look at that. And so now
stir that
it's
together.
it's gotten kind of nice and thick, and it needed that time to just do what it needs. So it's really important.
You could just put that in a bowl right now and give me a
And
spoon.
eat it. I know. I have to watch you. But there are 2 really important things that you need to remember. That before you start churning your ice cream, it's super important that this has to be cold. This has to be chilled. You don't want to skip the chilling step.
Yes, and it's a good thing to have this chilled too, which is the container that goes into our ice cream maker.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's so good.
It just helps. It helps.
It helps everything.
And here's our big old ice cream maker.
So you may be wondering, we got this as a wedding gift, this big old Cuisinart. It's one of those fancy ones that freezes it. I mean, it's wonderful. But
Yes.
whatever ice cream maker you happen to have on hand, just follow the manufacturer instructions. You know what you're doing, and we're going to. You do. You got it. All right.
Pour that in there.
All right.
You pour it.
Okay.
I always make a mess.
Well, I probably will.
No, you won't.
Okay.
There you go.
We've got the paddle already in there, so yay! Here, okay, help me get. So now we're going to put that on there. We're going to start. Okay. See, this is why it takes so long.
Yes, it does. There we go. Sorry. Okay.
Okay.
There.
Now we got it. Okay.
We got it.
We're going to let it
All right.
start churning.
Here we go.
I just think there is something about ice cream that just takes. I don't know. It takes everyone back to their favorite childhood memories.
Oh, actually mine is, there's this little place in Mitchell, South Dakota. Hey, Mitchell, called Zesto's.
Zesto.
Yes, it was an original spot, and then it went to another spot, and it was just.
So we went up to South Dakota, and we go up frequently to see family,
Yes.
and he took me, I said, I want to go to the Zesto, so he took me to the new Zesto's, which is just a replacement of the old one, and we got some ice cream, and it was good. I can tell you.
Good.
Tell us what your favorite memory of ice cream is. Give us something really.
Drop us a comment.
Drop us a comment, would you? Yay!
All right.
I love ice cream.
Me too.
The mixture only needs to churn for about 20 minutes or until thickened.
Now we can't forget about the graham crackers.
No, we can't. So in the last 5 minutes of churning, fold in about 1.5 cups of roughly chopped graham crackers.
Oh, my stars and garters.
Okay, so it's ready to eat now, but
It's gonna be a little soft service.
it is.
Yeah.
So we're gonna remove the ice cream paddle.
And transfer it to a container with a lid.
Now we recommend freezing it for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight.
Oh, that is so unfair.
Yeah. I scream, you scream, we all scream.
I love it. I haven't been working that hard, but I feel like this has been a labor of love.
It has. It is a labor of love. It's wonderful. And the thing is, you got to wait. And so
That's the thing about ice cream is the waiting.
So you need to let it freeze for a minimum of 2 hours. Overnight is best.
But we can't wait.
We went somewhere in between. So look at that. Is that not gorgeous?
Wonderful.
I love how look at the. I'm just gonna do. We're gonna build this, but look at how
do the other way. So like scooch it forward.
The graham crackers. You see that? Isn't that just beautiful? Look at that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to build the most amazing.
Wait, aren't you going to talk about that?
Yes.
That
Let me talk about my chocolate sauce. So this is chocolate, as we said, is a really important component to s'mores, right?
Yeah.
So look at that. So we have a link to this. If you didn't see it before, we have a link. It's so easy to make, and it really puts it over the top.
This is his wonderful,
delicious.
wonderful chocolate sauce.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to
making sure everybody can see everything.
Thank you so much. So we're going to put a little bit of this down at the bottom just because we want layers and layers of this. I'm going to build yours first, okay, Loon?
Wow.
Okay, now we're going to take this.
Yeah.
It's hard to do because I'm left-handed, so anyway, bear with it. Look at that! Yummy! We'll do
look at those chunks of graham cracker.
Chunks of graham cracker. Now let's do a little more of the chocolate sauce. Is that not heavenly? I know. If you're not swooning at home, then you need to check your pulse.
I can't.
That's crazy. All right, one more scoop.
One more.
Now, if you don't have one of these little cute little ice cream parlor glasses, which we have a link for it in the blog, no big deal, or in the description, you can certainly do this in a bowl.
Now, while he's making his, I'm going to do a little. We have to have the topper twisters, and one of those topper twisters is the roasted marshmallow. Now we have a little torch. Obviously, if you don't have a torch, you don't have to do this, but I have a torch, so I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, boy, does he have a torch.
Here we go. Look
It's
at that.
so much fun.
Look at how cute. You guys.
Like the Loon said, this is optional, but it's all about the little touches that make it so awesome.
Yes, there we go. There we go. That is so cute.
Okay, I'm gonna hand you yours, Loon, now.
Okay, here. Bring it on over.
Here you go.
Y'all. Okay. All right, so now we're going to actually put on the topper twisters.
I love topper twisters.
Okay, we're gonna put a little.
Oh,
a little
that
graham
is
cracker.
so cute.
A little chocolate.
Let me tell you.
And then my roasted marshmallow.
It's so
Or
great.
Chris would say mushroom.
I know. My mushroom. I love them roasted mushroom.
Here.
I know.
Yay.
That is so much fun.
Okay. Well, I wish I had a spoon.
Oh, well, I can help solve that problem.
Guys, it's been a very long day, and I'm going to enjoy this so much. Oh, wow.
I bet you're going to have some more afterwards.
Guys.
Oh, I love
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna.
I really
Did my eyes roll up into the back of my head?
A little bit.
I was gonna put my spoon down, but I don't think I'm gonna put my spoon down. Okay. So you have sometimes you have those ice cream
Moments.
those flavor ice creams, and
Oh,
you're like,
yeah.
that really doesn't taste like that.
No.
That tastes like s'mores.
S'mores.
I mean, you could taste that marshmallow, and then I have little chunks of graham cracker in there, and then the chocolate.
It really does.
It's amazing. It is so. This is 1,000% Loon approved.
Yes.
I just have to get that out there.
It takes a little bit of effort and patience, but I'm gonna take a bite and then I'll tell you if it's worth it. Oh my goodness. It's s'more-rific.
It is so good. I want some more, please.
We got plenty. Oh my gosh, this is so unbelievably good.
I love this. It just,
Besides being delicious, I mean, how fun is that?
It's so wonderful.
Everyone loves s'mores.
Yeah.
Everyone loves ice cream. Let's put the two together.
Totally.
Oh my gosh. You know what I love so much? I love that you really can't. You get that distinct marshmallow taste in that ice cream.
Yeah, totally. And then, like I said, those graham crackers.
And then, of course,
The
the chocolate brings it all together.
Oh, I can't even. I'm gonna. You know what? I'm gonna eat my topper twister.
It's the best ice cream ever. Oh my gosh, I love ice cream. I love our strawberry ice cream. That is so good.
Oh, I know. And then you've got your, is it that peanut butter, Reese's peanut butter? Or the
It's a peanut butter cupcake, a chocolate
So
ice cream cake.
Yes.
It is unbelievable.
Yeah, you can get these recipes on howtofeedaloon.com.
You guys, you got to make ice cream, and you're going to scream when you do. It's so good.
Ah!